Welcome to Wario World.
What a beautiful night having a riding in the express train. Isn't that what, Luigi? Yeah, sure, Dad.
Hi, it's me.
やだよそんなどうしよう
Say, Honoka, how's your day at school? Nothing, just a little bit weird. But okay. Oh. Hey, Kate and Cherry, do you have any foods? Oh yeah, we got some snacks and cakes and etc. How about yours, Waldy? Well, I got them too, I guess. And I also got a water drink if you want to. Well, I'ma have a bad feeling about this. I'm a little scared. Attention passengers, we are stopped into the yards because there's a signal red. We were waiting for the train until it's clear. And this chicken sandwich is amazing. You make this? Oh yeah, it's my mother and my auntie's secret recipe. Glad you like it. Guys, there's something wrong with the another train coming. Oh, is it? Who cares about it? Yeah, man, a train is coming straight to the other track. Besides, this is a good chicken sandwich. Maybe we should go back to the other seats. Oh, come on. Hey, you could take a chicken sandwich with you. Mamma mia. It's on our line. What, Luigi? What? Whoa, what are you talking about? Oh God, it is! Run! Get out! Wait, what about? Forget everything and save yourselves! Wait a minute. Oh, stop the train! Stop the train! What? Wow! Oh no! Drop out!
Oh no!
Mamma mia! We are going to die!
Oh my God! Need to fucking get out of here.